Is your iPhone running out of space? No need to upgrade. With a few tips, you can free up storage without losing your important photos or files. And if your iPhone says it's full but shows free space, there are easy fixes for that too. Part 1. How to check storage on iPhone. To check iPhone storage, go to Settings, General, Phone Storage. A bar shows used and available space, with apps listed by storage usage. Tap an app for more details. This helps you manage space better. Part 2. How to get more storage on iPhone without paying. Method 1. Transfer large files to computer. To free up iPhone storage for free, transfer photos, videos, documents, and messages to your computer. Use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to back up your iPhone data without iCloud or iTunes. How to use Assistant for iOS to transfer files from iPhone to computer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to PC. Step 2. Select the files you need. Step 3. Finish transfer files from your iPhone to PC. Method 2. Clear browser cache. 1. Open the Settings app and scroll down to select Safari. 2. In the Safari Settings menu, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. 3. Select Clear History and Data again to confirm the action. Method 3. Delete apps cache. 1. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon in the lower right corner. 2. Scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. 3. Under the Preferences section, choose Browser. 4. Next to your browsing data, tap Clear to delete the cache data. Method 4. Offload unused apps. 1. Open the Settings app and select General. 2. Tap iPhone Storage, where you'll see Offload Unused Apps. Under the Recommendations section, the feature will also display how much space can be saved. 3. Tap Enable to turn it on. Method 5. Delete unnecessary apps. 1. On your home screen, press and hold the app you want to remove until a menu appears. 2. Tap Remove App from the menu. 3. Confirm by selecting Delete App. Method 6. Remove Downloads folder. 1. Open the Files app. 2. Tap iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. 3. Open Downloads. 4. Tap the three dots, then Select. 5. Select Files or Select All. 6. Tap the trash icon. Method 7. Organize your media files. 1. Open Photos and go to Albums. 2. Scroll to Utilities and tap Duplicates. 3. Tap Merge next to each duplicate or tap Select All Merge Duplicates. Optimize Photos. 1. Open the Settings app and tap your username to access iCloud settings. 2. Select iCloud, then tap Photos. 3. Switch to sync this iPhone. 4. Scroll down and select Optimize iPhone Storage. Method 8. Delete message attachments. 1. Open Settings, General. 2. Tap iPhone Storage. 3. Under Suggestions, tap View Large Attachments. 4. Tap Edit and select Attachments. 5. Tap the trash icon to delete. Method 9. Factory reset your iPhone after backup. 1. Open Settings and tap your Apple lid. 2. Select iCloud, Show All. 3. Toggle on Sync this iPhone for desired apps. 4. Return to iCloud and tap iCloud Backup. 5. Turn on backup and wait for completion. 6. After backup, go to Settings, General. 7. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. 8. Select Erase all content and settings. 9. Tap Continue to confirm. Part 3. How to buy more storage on iPhone. 1. Open the Settings app, tap your username, and select iCloud. You'll see a chart at the top showing your current storage usage. 2. Tap Manage Account Storage. 3. Select Change Storage Plan. 4. Choose a plan, tap Buy, and follow instructions. 5. For Apple One, tap Change Apple One Plan.